everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious pumpkin sugar cookie bars with cream cheese frosting. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on notifications so you won't miss any delicious recipes. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need for the pumpkin sugar cookie bars. 1/2 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, salt, pumpkin spice, and baking powder, then set aside. Place the softened butter, sugar, and brown sugar in the bowl of a stand mixer. Whip until light and fluffy. Next, mix in the eggs, vanilla, and pumpkin puree. Add the dry ingredients to the butter and sugar mixture and mix to combine. Place a sheet of parchment paper on a 9x13 jelly roll pan with the edges hanging over the sides. Spread the cookie dough over the parchment paper. Bake at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Remove the cookies and allow them to cool completely before frosting. Here are the ingredients for the cream cheese frosting. 1/2 cup of butter, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk or heavy cream. In a stand mixer using a whisk attachment, whip the butter and softened cream cheese until light and fluffy. Use a spatula to scrape down the side of the bowl, then add the powdered sugar and vanilla extract. Whip together for another 2 to 3 minutes. Spread the cream cheese frosting over the top of the pumpkin sugar cookie bars. Refrigerate until the frosting has a chance to set. Then cut into bars and serve. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for pumpkin sugar cookie bars with cream cheese frosting. My kids say they taste just like a slice of pumpkin pie. The full recipe will be down in the description below, as well as a link to my website where you can print. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.